Hey guys, Kenneth,
Hey
Kenneth here. Welcome to Minecraft Pocket Edition. This episode is about. Whoopsie.
Guys, where are you?
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Hello.
I'm house. Hey,
You can. I am so powerful. Look up. This is a tutorial movie. I mean tutorial. This is a tutorial, not a tutorial. Tutorial. This is a tutorial.
super tutorial.
Choco cheque.
Cool.
I will teach you how to make a
Powerful.
not a powerful.
Powerful.
I will teach you how to make a wooden trapdoor
One top door.
with window. Okay, but first you need to make a house.
What?
Okay, you need to make a house.
What? Nah.
Okay, guys, my house, my little house done, and I will make
Hey, bro.
our hello. He's my brother, my little brother, brother. You need to get a lever. Don't put a glass. I will make my own. That's a nice one. That's another one. We need. Okay.
Hey, what's cheating?
I'm sorry.
Nothing. I'm making own. Super.
Not that one. Okay. But after that, you need to put a lever in the piston, push it, and all you need to do is you need a piston, and a trapdoor. Sorry. Oh, what? What the? Thank you. Okay. Wait. What's the wait? Whoa. You need to put some pistons. Yes.
What pinstones?
Pistons, not pinstones. Not the pistols. Ambegas. What does?
You make a house.
You make a house.
You a house.
What house, huh? What the? Yes.
Super nice.
Nars. Really failed. Okay, I will finish this my house. And thank you for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial. tutorial for this day. Tutorial day. Nice video. Tutorial night. Okay, thank you for watching. And thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and please give me, for all my friends, please give me 1,000, 2,100. I only want how. I hope I don't need your help, man. Okay. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.